Today, I'm walking through Performance Monitor, Windows' built-in tool for measuring system performance using counters. If you need to prove what's happening, CPU, memory, disk, or network, this is where you collect real data, in real time or over a period of time. I'll go ahead and run the command now. A quick overview of the layout. On the left, you've got the main areas I use: monitoring tools, data collector sets, and reports. First up, monitoring tools, Performance Monitor. This is the live graph. By default, you'll see a counter already running, so you're instantly looking at real-time performance data. Here, you can add counters. Counters are just measurements. The basic counters are CPU utilization, memory pressure, disk activity or latency, and network throughput. Now I'm watching the system in real time, not guessing. Use this when you want to watch a problem while it happens. Next, data collector sets. This is how you stop relying on a quick glance and start collecting proof over time, especially for intermittent issues. User-defined. This is where you create your own collector set for a specific troubleshooting case. A collector set can log performance counters at intervals, so later you can analyze what was happening at the exact time the user reported the issue. If the issue happens randomly, this is how you catch it. Finally, reports. This is where your saved data turns into something you can review and use in a ticket. When you run built-in reports like System Diagnostics, the one launched by perfmon/report, or when you run your own collector sets, the results show up here for review. So, Performance Monitor is the full toolkit. It offers live monitoring with counters, logging with data collector sets, and reports you can use for documentation and escalation. I hope you enjoyed the video. Visit the channel for more demo videos like this. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.